FY25, it was an excellent performance. Can it be better this year? That is the question. Strong reputation for quality and delivery for over 6 decades. In capitalization, among top players, but a distant third. Enjoys the unique advantage of price earning multiple, which is far below the peer average. In terms of market returns during the last 12 months, the bigger peers are left behind, yielding negative returns, but Kirloskar Pneumatic delivers an impressive 57% plus during the period. That is an advantage. Offerings under 3 business segments, refrigeration and gas compression leads from the front. Leads by far with a predominant share in both revenue and profits. Rightfully dominating the product mix with a consistent and sizable growth is the segment of refrigeration compression. A very wide spectrum of industries serviced by Kirloskar Pneumatic, among others food processing, ice plants, dairy industry and fertilizers. Besides the first mover advantage in the power transmission solutions, enjoys continued market patronage from well-serviced customers. 3 integrated manufacturing hubs located in close proximity in the state of Maharashtra, endowed with cutting-edge technology. An impressive and sizable revenue growth in financial year 25. Net profits consistent and growing substantially in the last years. Operating leverage and high yielding mix of orders driving up margin to its peak in years. FY25 gross revenue by 24%, but margins steal the show, growing in volume by an impressive 44%. Sizable normal annual capex funded exclusively by flowback. An average payout of 35% is maintained over years. Massive internal accruals, particularly over last 2 years, are the real source of company's strength and liquidity. It is helping build the liquidity for organic and inorganic growth and to cater to growing market demand. Rising retained earnings boost net worth with an impressive 5-year CAGR. Net worth beats total assets in the growth race. It funds over 2/3 of assets, also justified by impressive return ratios, successfully keeping away the long-term borrowings, ensuring a very healthy financial discipline. Share price of the company not keeping pace with the rising profits and its momentum. As a result, price earning multiple lags behind, moving down closer to the 5-year median. Strong profits and subdued prices might be a rewarding opportunity in the long term. Since December 2024, price moving downhill, that too quite steeply. Volume driven fall in April 25 was quite a surprise. The share entered bearish zone in mid-February and has suffered from general market volatility and sectoral underperformance in engineering equipments in particular. Price action data for the last 6 months presents trading quantity moving downwards with a steady fall in 100-day average. On the other hand, the price diving down from January onwards, surprisingly with no pressure whatsoever from quantity, with price and quantity moving together downwards. Probability of reversal likely to get momentum sooner than expected, with 52-week high being about 60% away, the share likely to attract market attention. A very impressive 5-year growth in both revenue and profits, with profitability percentage supporting equally. A strong order book is boosting confidence of Kirloskar Pneumatic. FY26 guidance with a revenue growth of over 20%, also aspiring to enhance margin. Behind the confidence of Kirloskar Pneumatic is its reliance on the customer support for the innovative product offerings and its impressive service delivery across industries. Unique strength of Kirloskar Pneumatic, rising number of IP filings evidencing strong engineering capabilities. A third of its shareholding is held by mutual funds and FPIs, a pointer to the market confidence. Margin improvement from a strong product mix and enhanced productivity from in-house manufacturing processes, adding to the competitive edge, helping fight the low-cost import effectively. Minimal exports, volatility in input prices and uncertain sectoral capex cycle, the inherent risks. Hope you found this presentation on Kirloskar Pneumatic to your liking. I am Vitthal Prabhu with the fortnightly video on Stock Learning Simplified. You can access videos with similar content at our info card. We look forward to your valuable response, and if you are new to the channel, may kindly subscribe and press the bell icon for timely intimation on our forthcoming videos. For your kind time and valuable support, highly obliged. This video is for purposes of information, education and awareness only. This is not meant to be a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell or hold securities. Wherever applicable, please seek the advice of a competent professional before taking action of any kind.